I'm Tibetan, and today I'm here on behalf of all the Tibetans to support the rally and to stand in solidarity with the Hong Kong brothers and sisters in their fight for democracy. We want to let the world know that we are all people of Tibet, people from Taiwan, people in Hong Kong, people in Inner Mongolia, East Turkestan, and in Uyghurs. We all need to stand up together, be united, and fight against the brutal Chinese regime. In 1987, the Chinese students took to the street to fight for democracy, and we all know what the outcome was. I want to ask you people, do we want another Tiananmen Square in Hong Kong? No! I believe that this is the best time that we all stand united and fight against the Chinese government. The Tibetan people in Tibet have been deprived of their basic rights. Their life in Tibet has become a living hell. And today, I want to let the people know that today it's Hong Kong. Tomorrow, it's going to be Tibet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, apart from the Tibetan, I always find it's very impressive. Every time when there's anything happen in Hong Kong or in China, there are always Americans who support us. You guys are lovely. You folks, I should say, because my fellow friend is always paying attention to the news in China, in Hong Kong, and always supporting us. And here, I give this Diane, my friend, a few minutes to express the view about Hong Kong. Thank you, Diane. I just hold it this way. Thanks, Anna.